Hi everybody, today I have some de-stash lots for you. They're actually just assorted lots of some old things that my aunts kind of passed on to me to sell or do whatever, but she gave me so much, so I went through everything and I kind of I saved some things, and then I just put together some boxes. I have 3 available. They're going to be posted in the shop or listed in the shop, but the links will be posted down below, and I will try to keep up to date, you know, what is available. And these are in medium-sized boxes in priority flat rate. So if you're interested, you could go to the link or to the links down below. Anyway, let's just get started. This is lot number 1. Again, these are all assorted items in here. I kind of just spread things out in between 3 boxes. This is just some feathers, black feathers, really pretty. Now, some of this stuff is like old because she had these things for years, and you know, stuff like the packaging is gonna look old. So here are some tool circles, and I'm pretty sure these are all new, but I mean, you know, still packaged in their original packaging. So 25 pieces of a pale pink, and then a off-white package, and then this is a brand new roll of tool. Let me get my glasses on. Ivory, so I guess it's ivory because it's the same color. So this one is a brand new roll, and then some pearls. This is a pretty new thing of pearls. This here, it's still got the wrapper on there, but a very thin trim. This here, it was missing one side. Actually, I'm just going to take this off, but it is a white, it says double face satin, 50 yards. It's probably still new, I don't know. It may or may not be, but you can see how much is on here. It's a really nice soft satin. I'm just going to get rid of that now. Some lace, some pink lace. Some gold ribbon. This is, I believe, wired. It doesn't say, but yeah, it is wired. So there's quite a lot on there. Okay, and then this here is some like dangly kind of floral thing in pink. It's really pretty. You can cut this down, you know, and use bits of it. So you got that. This baggie just full of some rose flowers. You know, I left pretty much everything the way it was, but there's little tiny buds in here, and it's just a mishmash of things. Some rolled ribbon roses in their bags that she had them in. She had this in her storage for a while. There's some black rolled ribbon roses. This is a new pack floral spray. Some, I'm pretty sure this is an open pack. It looks like she's already glittered these too, because I don't think they originally came glittered. But some doves, and hold on, we've got some ribbon bows in, it's a little brighter than the ivory, but, and then some black, some more of the black. And then here, this is just an assortment of like favors, you know, that she had. Look at it, it's a star. Huh. Little couple of bells. This is really cute right here that you can put in something. It's like resin. It's pretty heavy. This says our wedding. I don't know if anyone could use that, but you know, this right here is really cute. It's old, but it's adorable. You know, it's already yellowed. Okay, we got that. In all these boxes, or at least 2 of the boxes, I'm going to be putting in some note cards that I had in my stash, so I'll show you those in a second. Just some gloves. If you like to, you can either wear them, of course, or if you like to use them in your projects. And this jar of glitter. This is actually from my stash. This is a fine glitter, so it's about just under a half, but I've saved some, and then that's what's left. Alright, so then the rest is going to be the cards. Oh, there's one more thing of glitter in here. So this might be what was used, and this is old. Pearl. Oh, it's from that place called Pearls. Anyway, or Pearl. Decorating magic glitter for decorating styrofoam, Christmas stockings, candles, mass personalized decorate. You know, it's just glitter. So, just over half in there of that. Alright, so now for the cards, a new pack of these from Hobby Lobby. I think it's just the one design. These here. This has been used. Yeah, this has been used, but I don't know how many were in here. Might not be missing much. And then I keep buying these card, you know, box cards, and I never use them. I might use like a couple, and then I'm stuck with the rest. So I don't know. They're cute, but then I don't use them. So if you're a card maker, then this would be a good thing to have in your stash to make quick, easy cards. Just add to it. They do come with their envelopes. And the last stack of cards that's going to be in this box is this. And I think, I want to tell you that all of these are new. I can't tell if the seals have been broken because they don't have the sticker over them. But, you know, these are from Michaels. Whoops. I think all of these are. And they were the really shabby chic. Remember when they had that collection of just shabby chic stuff in their $1.50 bins, which are now $2 bins and more. So, got this and then this. Alright, these are really nice too. I would keep them, but there's some foiled dots on there, which, there you go, you can kind of see there. And that, there's a touch of foiling there too, but it's just hard to show. And then I think they all have some kind of foiling. It's just not picking up on my camera. This one doesn't, but the colors are pretty great for spring right now, actually. And then this. So you'll get all this in this one lot. It's just assorted stuff. And this is lot number 1. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is lot number 2, and some more assorted flowers, just some ribbon roses, and like, I forgot what these little ones are called. I did not go through this, so you know, you might find some surprises. There's teeny tiny gold ones in there. Just a quick open. Look at how tiny these are. So you got that. Another one of these, still in the packaging. This one here, oh, some more birds that have been glittered. I don't think she glittered these. I think they came that way, because the package is still, it's still stapled. But either way, some glittery doves. And here I did kind of go through this one. This is some flowers. There's like a little bouquet of just buds, but the flowers feel so soft. So she's taking this off of something, but these are really pretty. And then there's just some things mixed in here, some paper flowers and stuff. So we got that. And this gold ribbon, it's like glittery, and I don't know what material this is, but it's really nice. Well, it's from Celebrate It. And this one here that is taped down, but it's like a, what's it called? It says Galapan, I don't know, but it's transparent. A roll of lace. Take that out. I don't know where the beginning is, but here we go. I'll just get my finger under here. Some lace, some stretchy, blingy, sequin kind of. It's not very stretchy, but it's a little stretchy. Sequin trim. And oh, this one's actually, I forgot what this one had in here. Some silver beading. This one's actually going to be a little bit different once I get to it. You'll see what I mean. Some more of this stuff. Okay. And and some of this. My phone is going off the hook. Ribbon. Some more glitter. See how old this is? I did not open this up, but it looks like crystal, you know, like a crystal type of glitter. And some, this is like more than half of this. This is more, this is my stash. I took out some, okay, so, but I definitely don't need this much, but somebody might. All right, and hold on. Okay, I wanted to make sure it wasn't an emergency. All right, so then I have this brighter pink tulle circles. This actually has a scallop edge, and so does this one in this like white, and then this one a regular circle. And then from my stash, I'm throwing in this bag here full of bits and pieces of crochet things. I'm not going to go through everything. I've been stashing this kind of stuff for a while now. Still have a lot. Everything in here I believe has come off of bigger pieces like blankets and tablecloths. But look at this, has a little flower center. So this is just a mixture, a big bag full of this stuff, okay? So I'm not going to go through that. It's just, see, even the little connecting things. It's just that. And then lastly, some cards. Whoops, I got to seal that better. Hold on. Lastly, it's just a few cards in this one. Got this one here. This one's a Target card that I've had in my stash. And this really pretty floral. I know I've used it one or two out of this. And then these dimensional ones that are so pretty. Just a few of those. Okay, so this is lot number 2 with all this stuff here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, and the last lot for today, as I do have another one coming, once I finish pulling stuff for that, is similar stuff, another assorted one, but it's going to be in this kind of box, one of the long ones instead, because one of the items is in here. Now, I'm going to be smushing things in there. I don't think it's going to damage it, but like this flower here, which I hate to take it out because it's going to probably, well, I guess I'll take it out, but look at this gorgeous flower. I would keep it, but it's not my color, so it's going to go in there. And then we have this pick here. You can always, you know, chop these down. And we're going to have some ribbons in here and some other things. Alright, so some silk ribbons and that thin one again. She had a whole bunch of this stuff. Some brown and blue, some thin pink, and I'm not sure what kind this one is. It's a white CHI, which I don't know. I think it's just silk maybe. I don't know, it's still new. And I threw in all these loose pieces too. So we've got this little bit, there's a pearl in there, and it's pink with white and a pale pink pearl. And this pretty, sorry about that, I just realized the whole time I have this band-aid on, but anywho, this pretty lace here, there's quite a bit on here, looks more than a yard, I guess. This piece of lace here, and I do apologize if there's any hairs or anything. Again, this was just all thrown into like a couple of giant bins and bags. So, and then this really gorgeous lace with ribbon up here. As you can see, there's a lot in here. Some of this one here, it's just, yeah, definitely a yard in there. And then this one here, it's a double ruffle kind of trim, but it's got like an iridescent look to it. So we got that in there. Okay, some more ribbon. I put more like vintagey color type and Christmas stuff in here to go with that flower sort of. So we've got this. This is like organza, I think, and then a Christmassy one, really pretty and soft. And these are some, like, what is that, like a hunter green rolled flowers. There's a thing in here with just red stuff, red flowers, and what is that, Cali berry. Oh, my cat is going crazy. She's been playing with herself for almost, I don't know, 2 hours. Just tossing one of her toys. Look at this interesting one here. This is really neat. This could go for like a boho kind of thing. I'm guessing it's Christmassy, but there's a lot on here, so. And then this one here, it's still new, just been slightly pulled out. Most of these have wire. And then here's another one, which I just lost one side. And it's like, look how much is on here. But this one is really pretty too. Let me get that back on here. Look at how pretty that is. It's looking darker on screen, but it's a red, not red, let's see, burgundy, sorry, burgundy velvet and gold trim, and it's got the wire in it as well. And we've got some more flowers thrown in here, and some more rose buds, like blue, and then that green again, and some more there. And then we've got some lavender and silver. And then lastly, what I'm putting in here is this piece that I had. It's old. I'm not going to say it's vintage because I don't know if it's still on here, but there was like a regular tag on here, I think, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe it was something else. But it is old, and it's a garment bag, I think, on a hanger, and it's got all these pockets. There's 4 rows of pockets. It's all intact. I don't know if this comes off or not for you to wash. It might. It looks like it had been stapled. Well, I'm going to take that one off. I think it does come off. Yeah, so you might be able to wash this. I never did because I didn't think it would come off. But either way, I didn't have the spot for this anymore. So I'm going to pass it on if anybody wants to do some kind of, you know, fancy shabby chic or vintage looking room and store their stuff. I had in here my adhesives, packaged adhesive, not, you know, loose. So anyway, this is gonna go in. Let's try to get this back the way I had it in there, and that was lot number 3. So thank you all for watching. Again, the links to these 3 lots will be down below to my shop where you can pay for it, and they are all US only, so just check it out, and till next time, see you guys later. Bye now.